Want to master React.js? Here's your roadmap. React.js, known for its speed, simplicity, and scalability, has become a must-know technology for front-end developers. So, buckle up and prepare for an exciting journey into the world of React.js. We'll start off with the React fundamentals. This forms the foundation of your React journey, where you'll learn about JSX, components, state, and props. JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript, allowing you to write HTML in your scripts. Components, the building blocks of any React application, are reusable and independent bits of code. State is a data structure that starts with a default value when a component mounts and then suffers mutations in time, mostly generated from user events. Props are short for properties, and they are used to pass data from one component to another as parameters. These are the pillars of React.js, and understanding them is crucial to becoming proficient in this technology. To solidify your understanding of the fundamentals, you'll work on a project specifically designed for beginners. It's one thing to learn the theory, but applying it practically is where the real learning happens. This project will bring together all the fundamental aspects of React.js and give you a taste of building your own application. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to move on to more advanced topics. Here, you'll delve into concepts like lifecycle methods, hooks, and context. Lifecycle methods are inbuilt methods that get called at different stages of a component's life. Hooks are a new addition in React that lets you use state and other React features without writing a class. Context provides a way to pass data through the component tree without having to pass props down manually at every level. Again, there will be a project tailored for beginners to apply these advanced topics. This project will challenge you, but remember, it's through overcoming challenges that we grow. It will allow you to implement what you've learned and truly understand how these advanced concepts fit into a React application. Finally, we'll explore the vast React ecosystem and understand how to implement it into our real projects. The React ecosystem is a collection of software tools, libraries, and other resources that make developing with React more convenient and powerful. This includes tools like Redux for state management, React Router for navigation, and Jest for testing, among others. Understanding this ecosystem and how to utilize it can greatly enhance your React projects. So, to summarize, the roadmap to mastering React.js involves understanding the fundamentals, applying them in a beginner's project, delving into advanced topics, implementing them in a project, and finally, understanding and implementing the React ecosystem in your projects. Remember, the path to mastery is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, practice, and persistence. So, embark on this journey with an open mind and a will to learn, and you'll find yourself mastering React.js in no time.